Hello everyone, my name is Rashid Yasin and today I will be showing you the website that I have recently created in WordPress using Hostify. So the website looks like this. This is its homepage, and give me some time, it will take some time to reload as my PC is not that much powerful. It's using 100% CPU, but come on. So it looks like this. When a page reloads, these widgets slide from left and right sides and come in the center, and moving downwards we have these other widgets, and this is the place for featured products. And when we come to this place, these widgets also slide from right and left side. Our best sellers are here, testimonials, and this is a blog post area where all the recent posts are shown here. And this is the newsletter area where by subscribing to this, we will get insights on recent posts on the blog. This is the footer area with copyright. Let's see a post like this one. So after reloading, it looks like this. Related posts are as well here. We can type a message like "Good." See it here right now. After reloading, the comment is posted below this post. Furthermore, if we go to the home page and let's go and see a product like this watch, it will look like this, and it will have the other images as well with a special price cut. And we can buy it from Amazon. If we are using an affiliate link, we can put it here, or however we can also add our own link, as I will be showing you other products. Let's go to shop, maybe let's buy a book, ebook. The book is here. We can add it to cart. After adding, we can see its description and other related products if there will be any. So our products in our cart are shown here. Let's go to checkout. Here we can see we can fill our details here, shipping address, we can say of cash on delivery, or maybe we can pay by PayPal or Stripe. I have added methods for Stripe as well as Stripe, and we can also use a coupon. Like I have added a coupon R9. Let's apply it. After applying the coupon, we will get a discount of about 20% as per our needs. And from here we can finalize our shopping cart. Furthermore, we can go to the blog part. In the blog area, we can see the recent blogs, all recent blogs. We can see the recent posts here, and we can also see by categorization like trendy. Furthermore, we can go to shop and see our shop interface. Here we can see our shop area where we can filter by price and categorize then, or maybe use tags like watches. And here are some of the products that relate to our search. The more previously I would have probably shown this area as well. So let's go to contact area. This is the contact page where a person can contact us. I have added a Google map to my location. On hovering over this area, it becomes colorful, otherwise it is black and white. So we can add our name and other details here and send a message, by which we will, on our contact email, we will receive an email from this person, and we can solve their inquiry. So the remaining part of my website is my area of the person. Let's go to dashboard. The dashboard looks like this. We can see our orders, downloads, addresses, payment methods, account details, wish list, and we can log out from here. We can see there are no orders yet, as I have not placed any orders. Thank you very much for seeing my website. Inshallah, I will be making other websites as well related to pharmaceuticals and a portfolio website as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.